Cinnia came up to Jay and he's picked her up. She's not going to stay in his arms because he's walking. But, yes, hi, sweetie. There's one. And I can't...
I saw one of the tabbies while we were further back.
Okay. Here's Fluffers. Fluffy. Yeah, we got your breakfast.
Freddie and Momma.
Where's Growler? Okay, do you want umbrella for camera because it's sprinkling? No?
How? Will it stand up by itself?
Okay. All muddy.
Good morning.
All friggin' muddy.
Good morning, sir. Can I help from this side? I can get in.
Have a moment?
Yeah.
This one I have to wipe more. fuse. No crawling on.
And you're saying put it behind the...
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it might give them more protection. I don't know. Might be on my head. Okay, folks, the cats are being fed as close to the shrub as possible to afford them some protection from the rain. Not sure if it worked, but it's the best I could come up on. They're all kind of damp. Had a lot of rain last night, yesterday afternoon and last night rained. Just exactly what we need. So not complaining here, totally happy, waiting for my hillsides to get green, and we're going to continue on our walk. So quality one-on-one. Momma Kitty and Jay. As you can see, her coat is very damp. She wants treats. That's her little heart.
Just you and me. Come on, sweetie.
Says, where's the treats? Okay.
Good.
We're going to continue on. Still sprinkling. So water drop, some raindrops may get on them. Oh, okay. You want the camera?
Yeah,
okay.
what caught my attention.
Yeah, you're still recording.
Yeah.
Oh,
Over the fence.
the birds in the tree?
Don't know what they are, nor how many of them, but boy, there's a bunch. I haven't turned it off yet.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm just going to... Okay, could this be the ones that were on our fountain? Come here, take a look. Oh, you don't have your glasses on.
I have my glasses on, but I really can't tell. I need the bigger screen.
Oops. What was the name of the birds?
It's not coming to me.
Okay, something wing... Cedar wing?
Cedar Waxwing.
Cedar Waxwing. We think this may be Cedar Waxwing. We'll take a bit closer look on our home screen. And come on, unzoom. Not unzooming. Oh, there it is. I have to hot glue or something that on because it's not staying. Second time it's Well, first time it's completely come off, but it's been kind of, I've had to reposition it back on. Okay, we're continuing on to the cat area. This would make sense if it for this cedar waxwing, because they eat berries, and there's a lot of trees and plants like right there that have berries, and that's what they eat, is berries. So we knew they weren't going to probably hang around our fountain property area for very long, because we don't have berries. And here's the rest of the children, still all wet. Jay's doing the housekeeping, cleaning the dishes.
Got paw prints.
No, who would walk on a plate?
Everybody.
Oh, okay.
That's about as good as we're gonna get.
Okay. If you can push it under an overlying.
Yeah, if I can. Right now, Freddie's not messing me up.
Cool. We like that. Freddie's enjoying. Kitties have a certain look in their face when they're enjoying being scritched, and Freddie's got that look. Yeah, under the chin. Oh, that felt good.
Okay.
Look at Fluffy. Okay.
Fluffy, you're an absolute mess.
She sure is. She sure is. Okay, we're going to continue on.